Whatever you're silently suffering and struggling with, I want you to hear me today. God said, keeping commands, walking in ways, and you're going to reap the good of the land. The land with brooks, streams, and springs flowing into valleys and hills. You're not going to lack nothing. Even in a places where rock and iron there, you're going to find copper. Deuteronomy chapter 8, verse 6 to 11. So listen closely when me I tell you today, to make thou try to steal your way. Even where you're lack and a face right now, God I go work it out. Trust him somehow. The empty cupboards them, the bills unpaid, your dreams were feel delay. Oh man, the doors them were still shut, no sign in sight. Yet God a move, hold on tight. Be faithful, no lose your place. Keep walking steady in Him grace. Keep on praying, no give in. May I tell you today, no give in. Keep trusting Him. I go step in. Him are the God where will sustain. The God with sunshine after the rain. The God are more than just enough. The God are go show up when it rough. Even when the ground feel dry and barren hills catch your eye, streams are go flow. River will rise right before your very eyes. Spring are go burst with pain once stay, and life will bloom with fear once lay. Every valley, every low will make him feel a living water flow. The land you think was full of lack, gotta go turn and give it back. Waiting season long and slow will overflow before you know. From rocks, provision spring, blessing rise from hidden things. Dry ground breaking, life reveal. Fruits will grow in a barren field. So keep on knocking, doors will open. Keep believing, stand unbroken. Keep on sowing, no delay. Your harvest dip on the way. Hallelujah. No grow weary, no lose sight. Gotta work out day and night. The one we farm the earth and sky. Hear your every whispered cry. In place the mountains, shape the seas, and send the rivers where Him please. That same God will make a way and provide for you today. So rise in a faith, no stay down. Lift your voice, no make it drown. Speaking promises and stand strong. Your waiting season won't be long. Trust Him timing, trust Him plan. Him will hold everything in Him hand. Your season closer than what it seems. God I go bring you to your year of reaping. Hallelujah. All right.